Jamaica the only place in the world me know where me would know a man named Andrew for all of my life and then find out say him name all David Skillinskin or
Brother, never, all right.
Tyrone.
You said the year that I went to George's, right? Never bridge in the name Fred. Everybody calls him Fred. I know him as Fred. Him introduce himself as
Him
Fred.
name Fred.
A Fred him name, right? We're in class. I sit like maybe 2 seats across from Fred, right? And I hear Odain. I was like, who is Odain? I was like, dog, why your name Fred? Why is everybody calling you Fred? One day me there beat and me there fling some stone, you know? And the man them say,
Fred.
who that Fred?
I just name Fred.
It's just been Fred forever.
For 7 years now, you name Fred.
Yeah, Fred your name now.
You know what crazy? So, my virgin, when I meet him, I meet him as manager.
Was he in the, I think he was he in the live?
In that Texas life.
Yeah.
So, me don't know what manager name, you know. I've never
Just been
known
manager.
his name.